Hello students, welcome to class 12 English video tutorials. In this video, I will be explaining to you how to draft an article. So this article writing is also a part of your writing section and it carries 7 marks. Now let us discuss what is an article and how to write an article. An article writing is a work published in a print or electronic medium. It may be for the purpose of propagating news, research, result, academic analysis, or debate. It is a lengthy composition writing. It intends not only to provide information on the topic, but also to make it of interest to the readers by including details on contemporary issues. So article is usually based on issues related to social concerns. These are the key points to remember. Give the title that catches the attention of the reader. For your exams, the title will be given to you, but if you are going to write an article in the days to come, the heading or the title should be attractive and it should catch the attention of the readers. Begin with a striking opening sentence which addresses the readers and get them interested in the topic. So one should use a very striking opening. You can use quotes. Okay, you can use quotes and start with a very interesting opening so that it catches the attention of the reader as well. Next, present a strong argument for your ideas, supporting it with evidence and elaboration. So the topic that you are writing an article about, you should support it with evidence, not with your assumptions, okay, or not with your thoughts, but with your evidence, with elaboration. Use linking devices like however, therefore, even though, in order to, etc., to make the composition appear a whole. Introduce a new point at the beginning of each paragraph that follow to strengthen your ideas. So in article writing, after the introduction, you will be writing paragraphs. So each paragraph should be starting with a new idea. It will be related to the topic, but related to the topic, flow with the ideas in each paragraph. Develop your ideas as much as you can to make them interesting and substantial. Conclude with your strong point. Use passive voice, humor, emotive language, rhetorical questions to provide a specific effect. This is the format of an article. In an article, you are supposed to write the heading, the title first. If it is given in the question, you will write the same title. If it is not given, then you will create a heading of your own and it should be very interesting or very creative. Next, the writer's name, your name, whoever is writing this article. The opening paragraph, introduction of the topic. One can start with a quotation or startling effects to arouse the interest of the readers. As I have mentioned before, the first work or the job of an article writer is to introduce the topic. Whichever topic you choose, you introduce it. Then come to the body part. Analyze the topic in the form of types, current scenario, advantages, disadvantages, causes, and effect relationship. Okay, for example, if you are writing an article on traffic problem in our state, so you have to introduce what problem you are going to write, that is the traffic problem. Okay, so analyze the topic in the form of types. What are the different types? Okay, that you see in day-to-day life. If is there any advantage, or if there is disadvantages, you cite the advantages and disadvantages, what causes the problem and what is the effect. Okay, so in this way you will get ideas to continue writing the article. Then for your conclusion, mention some steps to improvise the situation, give suggestions, etc. So for your conclusion, you can give some suggestions or some steps how to improve the problem that you have already mentioned. That is, for the traffic problem, what steps can be taken. So in this way, you will write the article. Here, go to the text main course book textbook and find the part or the chapter where you will find this article writing. Some questions are given. Try to attempt those questions and try to write an article based on the questions given in the textbook. Thank you.